Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to cut audio in Bandlab. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in bandlab.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Bandlab if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. In the top left side of the screen, as you can see, we have the trending, following, music and video. We also have the liked posts, albums, and playlists. In the top side of the screen, we have the feed, discover, services, library, and the search bar. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and cut audio in Bandlab. So cutting audio in Bandlab is super easy and can help you edit your tracks more precisely. Launch the Bandlab on your computer or mobile device, as I told you in the start. Then go to your library and open the project containing the audio you want to cut. After that, click on audio region that you want to, of course, go and edit, and click on the scissors icon in the toolbar to enable the cut tool. After that, click on the points where you want to cut the audio. This will split the audio region into separate sections. Drag these sections to adjust them or delete unwanted parts by selecting and pressing delete. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So guys, if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.